Good evening, everyone. This is a presentation by group number 4, and presenting on behalf of group 4 is no other than yours truly, Joshua Aaron. Our project is investigating the causes of poor academic performance among secondary school students. Now, we know academic performance is an important aspect of student success. However, many secondary school students continue to underperform. Now, our study investigates the main causes of the poor academic performance and focuses on factors such as study habits, attendance, and technological distractions. Now, using a quantitative approach, our data was collected to identify the key patterns and provide practical recommendations that would hopefully improve student outcomes. For the purpose of our study, a total of 20 students were selected randomly to assist us in conducting this survey. And based on the findings of this study, several recommendations can be made to improve students' academic performance. Firstly, we believe that schools should provide learning skills seminars that would help our students to develop effective study habits. Many students already struggle because they simply do not know how to study properly. Additionally, introducing homework support programs or the buddy system can assist students who need extra help outside of the classroom. It is also important to teach our students time management skills, as poor time use was observed as a major issue while conducting this study. And furthermore, encouraging parental involvement can provide students with the support they need at home. And finally, reducing the technology distractions in the classroom, we believe can help students to stay focused and improve their academic outcomes. Now, while this study provided useful insights to us, there were several limitations that we found. One major limitation was the small sample size, as only 20 students participated, which may not fully represent the wider student population. Another limitation was the lack of time to collect more extensive data, which could have improved the accuracy of our findings. There was also the possibility of dishonest responses. This occurred since students may not always answer questionnaires truthfully, and as a result, the data collected may not completely reflect the true situation. Now, the use of the quantitative research in this study provided several advantages to us. One, it allowed for the collection of measurable data, making it easier to analyze and interpret the result. It also enables statistical analysis, such as the use of percentages and charts that help to clearly present patterns and trends. And additionally, the quantitative research supports evidence based decision making, which is important in improving educational practices. And finally, it allows researchers to gather data from a large number of participants efficiently. Now, despite the advantages of the quantitative research, it also has some limitations. One issue is that it often provides shallow responses, as it only focuses mainly on numbers rather than detailed explanation that are more emotive. It also cannot fully capture emotions, opinions, or personal experiences, which may be important in understanding student behavior. And furthermore, the quality of the results depend heavily on how well the questionnaire is designed. If the questions aren't clear, the data collected may not be reliable. Now, this research project has greatly improved our understanding of the educational research, and as such, it has important implications for our future roles as teachers. Research methods can help teachers identify learning problems among students and understand the factors affecting their performance. It also helps in improving teachers' teaching strategies to better meet our students' needs. Additionally, teachers can use the research to monitor student progress over time and make informed decisions in the classroom. But overall, the research provides a scientific approach to solving problems in education that would improve our student outcomes. Through this study, we gained knowledge of research design and the different methodologies used in data collection based on what it is that we want to achieve. The development of skills in analyzing data and interpreting results was also a plus. But most importantly, we're now understanding the importance of evidence based teaching, where decisions are made on data rather than assumptions. So, that is basically what we would have looked at for our research. And of course, this study does show, based on the amount of students that were participating in this survey, it does show that poor academic performance is strongly linked to factors such as their weak study habits, limited study time, distractions, and mostly the distractions from their technology. Here we have our references. We're taken from Coursewell JW 2018, titled Research Design, Qualitative, Quantitative, and Mixed Methods. And Mertler CA 2021, Introduction to Educational Research, Sage Publications. We thank you for paying attention to us as we present our research. And just to leave with a little note, education is not just about teaching our students, but about understanding them. And this research allows us to do that so that we, the teachers, can meet them at the point of their need where they are in their educational journey. Thank you very much.